Good morning, guys. So this is 7 a.m. morning in New York. It is snowing and it was snowing whole night. So news says it's gonna be snow whole day today. So it's quite. I'm just thinking, what should I do with Pela? Whether I should drop her to the daycare or not. Let's see what I'll do.
I mean, it's really coming down now, finally, about 2-inch an hour rates, and so it's going to snow like this pretty much through the afternoon. Probably at least another 8 to 10 inches here on top of the 6 inches we have in total.
Yes, Peha, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you have gloves, shoes on. Okay, let's go. Wow. Look at this. It's snowing a lot. Okay, we'll go this way. Come. Okay, so let's go. This way. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Look at this. That's the yeah. No, there's a lot of snow here. We cannot walk. You cannot walk. We'll walk from the halfway, okay? Oh. Woo! This is a lot of snow. Wow, Bella. Yeah. I like snow too. Wow. I've dropped the Pella daycare. There were a few other kids already. I thought I'll be the first one. There's a lot of people were already there. Now look. No more people on the street. So you can walk down like this. You can have fun. Because you don't see. All the sidewalks are not clear, so you can walk like this. So this is kind of fun. Yeah. We don't have to go to mountains for the snow to see the snowfall. What else we want in here? This is a beautiful place to stay. New York. New York City is the best place in the world, I guess. Now it's might be 7:40, I guess, in the morning. Looks like already evening time. It's so cloudy, it's foggy day, and I see people are walking, shoveling the snow. Anyway, it's nice running for me this morning. taking Kayla to daycare and running down to my home. That sounds big. Hi. Hi. It's fun, man. This is what I do on the morning time. It's nice jogging on the snow. Woo. It looks like more light. Oh, I already reached my building. Oh man, that's a lot. Look. Yeah. Now I don't need a jacket, man. It's fucking hot. Wow, man. That was awesome running. So, got all my change. Outside is -2 degrees. So, as soon as I could get to home, I take out my jackets, boxer right now. Like, ooh. Wow, that was a nice running. That's the first time I've been running on the snow and it feels so good. Now by myself with my Carla today. My wife, she went to work. Look at outside now. I'll show the view. Okay, I think I need to switch up the lights so you can see outside. Look here. So right now in Coins, we already have 3 inches. So stay tuned with me. It's gonna snow whole day. Let's see it's gonna be how bad it will be. But I love snow. For me, I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun. So at evening around 5:30 I have to go pick up Pela, so that will be fun because this morning there was only 3 inches and I had fun. I'm just excited like how it will be to go and pick up Pela. Normally we take the stroller. It's quite easy and light. So stroller doesn't work in the snow. The wheel doesn't roll up. We have a big one too, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna carry her. This will be a fun. Stay with me and watch till the end. I'll show you how I get. Hey, what up, guys? Carla, say hi. She is 4 months now. Now, yeah, it's what time it is? 10:50. She needs some milk. So there goes her milk, as a breast milk. That has to be heat up. Keep this for on timer for maybe 2.5 minutes. I'll keep it. Yeah. And guys, it's still look, my window is already covered with the snow. So it's gonna be fun, you know. Till 5 o'clock it will be at least 10 to 12 inches, I guess. And I love to go in this weather out. Look. It's not only snowing a lot, there's a wind, a little bit of windy. It will be fun. I'm gonna run again. Okay. Let's see, Carla. Okay, the timer is showing 3:30.
Oh, damn it. My fellow reporters, I've been working pretty hard today, so I thought I'd grab a bite to eat, and I've been waiting for a waiter here for a few minutes, and, well, I'll tell you, nothing much is doing, except the snow. Look at how much we got here in White Plains.
Wow. Okay, it's 5:30 p.m. now. Almost looks like very dark out here. Going to pick up Pela from the daycare. She must be waiting for me. So now I cannot take the stroller, so I'm taking the piggyback with me. Not that bad. Snowing, still snowing. I thought it will be worse. It's not that bad. I'll show you the road. They had been cleared so we can walk. It looks at least 14 to 15 inch. The things that the roads has been cleared a little bit, I can walk on it. Yes, hi. Wow. So guys, it's fun to me at least. So are you okay?
Yeah.
You okay? You doing okay there?
Yeah.
Yes, good job. People walking on the sidewalk. Only thing is windy and it's blowing all the snow on my face. That's what. She don't face any problem here. You're doing good, right? You wanna say hi? Are you cold? No, you're warm up, right? Oh, now. Okay, I'm gonna signing out now because it's holding my camera on one side is not comfortable. That's it. I'll see you, and keep subscribing my channel, like, comment. How do you feel this vlogging? Wow, back to home, Villa. How are you? You good? You like it? You like this stroller or this piggyback? Okay, because you can have daddy all the time, right?
Hi, Daddy.
Yes.
Hi, Daddy.
Yes. You're home.